Good day. We are the group Codex, and we are proud to present our prototype, Action Hub. I'm Nicolas, and I'll be kicking things off. So, when an emergency strikes, time is critical. That's why Action Hub offers a guest option allowing anyone to bypass login and report incident anonymously right away. But if the user chooses to create a free account, they unlock powerful features such as tracking their reports, uh, earning community status, and helping local responders reduce spam.
Thank you, Nicolas. I'm Sean. Let's look at how a registered citizen submits a report. From the dashboard, they simply tap Report Incident. The app guides them through three quick steps. First step is select a category like flood or fire, snap a live photo as proof, and enter optional details. Once they hit submit, the system generates a tracking ID like AH1024 and instantly alerts responders.
My name is Rafael Luis R. Melendez. So for segment 3, tracking past and present incidents. A key part of citizens' empowerment is having an accessible record. In the Your Reports History section, user can easily track their submitted incident through active and resolved tabs. Allow them to monitor ongoing issues and review resolved cases in one place.
Thank you, Rap. I'm Vincent. To ensure accountability, we built a community trust scores out of 5.0. These scores increase when the LGU verifies a user's report, and this decreases if they submit false alarms. This filters out fake news and guarantees that emergency responders only spend resources on genuine incidents.
Thank you for that, Mr. Vincent. So, hello everyone. My name is Neil. So, to give citizens full control, the app features a customizable settings menu. Users can keep their contact details up to date, toggle app and SMS alert, and adjust the map and privacy option, like setting specific alert radiuses or toggling responders visibility. It puts personal relevance front and center.
Segment 5, the LGU Command Center Login and Triage. Now, from the LGU's perspective, authors personnel log into a secure command system using their employee ID and password. They are directed to a live triage dashboard where they can quickly see and assign emergency act on real reports by dispatching responders or mark false alarms as spam.
Let's see that triage in action. Here, an incoming severe flood report display photo evidence alongside the reporter's 4.8 trust score, confirming it's a high priority emergency. So with one click, the operator deploys the DRRMO rescue team, the unassigned queue drops to zero, displaying an all clear shield. With the emergency handled, the operator seamlessly transition to routine operation.
For post-incident review, the command system maintains a searchable dispatch log. By expanding a specific log, officials can review critical metadata, exactly who reported it, their trust score, the time lag, the responding operator, and closing notes. This rigorous digital paper trail is essential for government auditing and transparency.
So, hello again. So, Action Hub handles more than just emergencies. It streamlines daily city operations. Operators can view routine reports like uncollected garbage and route them directly to the sanitation department with a single click. Once routed, the system automatically starts a 72-hour service. department-level agreement timer, holding departments accountable for timely fixes.
Finally, the platforms give city official unprecedented situational awareness. The live map plots all active incidents onto the city grid. Furthermore, the analytic dashboard compiles this data into interactive charts. A planner can instantly see the last month flooding account for 55% of reports. This empowers smart, proactive decision for infrastructure and budgets.
So behind the scene, the admin settings dashboard keep LGU's complete control. Administrators can customize strict operational rules, setting ticket expiry time frames, tackling auto verification, or mandating photo attachments to prevent spam. This ensured the system perfectly aligns with the city's unique operating procedures. So thank you for your time, and we are now open to your questions. Thank you so much.